The science of attraction. Romantic feelings are often thought of as impulsive, unexplainable, and coming from the heart. However, attraction is truly determined by your brain, which performs a difficult set of computations in a couple of seconds. Sounds less poetic now, doesn't it? The warm and fuzzy feelings, however, are not solely in your head merely because the computations are taking place in your brain. In actuality, each of your five senses has the power to support or oppose a developing attraction. Initial elements of attraction. The initial elements of attraction are the eyes. While there are many external beauty standards that differ between cultures and times, indicators of youth, fertility, and good health, like long, glossy hair or smooth, scar-free skin, are virtually always desired since they are connected to reproductive fitness. Our natural tendency is to get closer so that the other senses can investigate when the eyes spot something they like. Behavioral response. More than just smelling cologne or perfume, the nose contributes to romance. It has the ability to detect pheromones, which are organic chemical signals. These are able to elicit a physiological or behavioral response in the recipient in addition to communicating significant physical or genetic information about their source. Women who are at various stages of their ovulation cycles participated in a study where they wore the identical t-shirt for 3 nights. Saliva tests revealed a rise in testosterone in men who had sniffed a shirt worn by an ovulating woman after being randomly assigned to smell either one of the worn shirts or a new, unworn one. A man may be inspired to approach a woman he might not have otherwise noticed by such a testosterone increase. MHC molecules, which are employed to combat disease, are particularly sensitive to a woman's nose. Opposites do attract in this instance. Women liked the scents of males whose MHC molecules were different from their own when they were asked to smell t-shirts that had been worn by various men in a study. This is logical. Offspring with more diverse immune systems may have a significant survival advantage. Attraction. Attraction is also determined by our hearing. Men favor girls with petite bodies, high-pitched, breathy voices, and wide form and spacing. Women favor voices that are low in pitch and have a narrow form and spacing because they make the body appear larger. It comes as no surprise that touch is essential for romance. Participants in this experiment were asked to momentarily hold the coffee, either hot or iced, without being aware that the study had started. After reading a fictional account about a person, the participants were asked to judge their personality. Others who had handled hot coffee thought the individual in the narrative was friendlier, more outgoing, kinder, and better-mannered than people who had held iced coffee, who thought the person was distant, stern, and uncaring. First kiss. The fabled first kiss, a rich and complex exchange of tactile and chemical cues, like as the scent of one's breath and the taste of their mouth, is the final test to see if a possible mate has passed all the others. This special moment is so important that most men and women claim to stop being attracted to someone after a poor first kiss. Your circulation is inundated with norepinephrine as soon as attraction is established, triggering your fight or flight response. Not because you're in danger but rather because your body is alerting you to something significant. Heart beats quicker, pupils enlarge, and your body releases glucose for increased energy. Norepinephrine helps you concentrate by obstructing outside distractions, maybe distorting your perception of time, and improving your memory. This may help to explain why first kisses are so memorable. Try to understand how your entire body is acting as a matchmaker to determine whether that attractive stranger is suited for you. The thought that so much of our attraction is controlled by chemicals and evolutionary biology may seem cold and scientific rather than romantic.